Hey everyone, just an explorer here in Nottingham. As you can see, they're getting ready to set up for the Nottingham Beach. And this is a bit of a quick construction update because it's going to take a few weeks for it to all be built. You can already see got some trampolines. I believe here there's going to be a giant water slide. Some refreshment stands over there. It's pretty well fenced off other than this part, so let's go around the other side down by the council house and see what else we can see. So we can see we got some loaded donuts, a grill house and a gyros. I think this is going to be the bar. Yeah, not too much more from this side. And that is the bar, definitely. There's the, see the fridges there. Zoom in. There we go, not too much. Yeah, so far not much to show you, but just as it started, so we'll get back down here in a few days' time and see what's going off. Well, that's going to do it for a quick construction update video on the Market Square beach. If you like what we do, then please click like, subscribe and comment, and we'll see you real soon.